Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a day in my life college edition. And don't mind my face, I just woke up, so let's get ready fast. I'm getting super late. So let's begin. So guys, I have just wore the uniform. This is my college uniform. I'll give you the afterwards. Put lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm, guys. And I'll just make my hair and move out fast because bro, I'm getting super late. Oh my god, and today only I wanted to shoot.
मतलब वो अलग ही लेवल का बंदा था.
It's okay, I'll give preference to shoot more. By the way, guys, do you guys also have uniform in your college, or is it only me? Uh, because I think in Goa only we have uniforms in colleges. Colleges, yes. I'm in third year right now. Still we have uniform. You might think I'm going in school, but no, it's college, bro. This is something different we have here. Okay guys, I just made my hair and now I'm adding watch and I am ready. And I'm also wearing this jacket. Without this I can't survive. Okay, so let's go now. Okay guys, so I'm moving out now. This is my umbrella and my bag. So let's go. First we'll drink tea and then we'll go. Wow. So guys, now I'm taking tea here and we'll just take this tea and go. Wow, the lighting is really good in the kitchen. So let's have our tea. Okay guys, so after drinking tea, I'm heading out. So I'm taking bike. It's very difficult to reach an helmet. Okay, so I was saying it is very difficult to reach college for me because half of the way I have to take bike, then from there I have to catch a bus, from there one more bus I have to catch, so two buses I have to catch and take bike also. So let's go. Okay guys, so I have reached outside. I have parked and now I'm walking towards the bus stand. I hope my voice is audible because so much noise and I don't have mic. So yeah, so and let's go there. Okay guys, I have reached the bus stand here. So guys, so I have reached the bus stand and now I'm waiting for another bus. The second bus I'm taking now. It's taking me so long.
On you. I was feeling so old. Oh my god, you saw me from where, bro?
While coming from the bus, I saw you.
Yeah, I was so bored. I was just going to sit.
So guys, from here we took the bus and we reached our college, and this is the entrance of my college. This is the backside gate and this is so beautiful. Look at my campus. Everywhere there is greenery. Okay guys, so I have reached the college as you saw, and now I'm going to sit because right now I don't have a lecture. So for the next lecture we'll go. So I'm sitting over this cozy place and my friend is going to join me then. So let's wait for her. So I'm in the class for the second lecture. So even my friend is over here. Yeah, and this is our classroom. So we are waiting for the teacher to come. still the teacher is on the way. So let's wait for the teacher. Guys, guess what just happened? We were sitting in the class and the teacher did not come only. So we have to wait 1 more hour for him and then we'll leave college. Maybe at 1. Maybe at 1. So late. Now we are going and sitting, doing time pass. What else we can do? Guys, I want to show you outfit of the day. It's not. Then we sat here to do some gossip. So guys, I'm currently in the lift. So after doing some time pass, I remembered I had some work with one of the teacher. So I went in the staff room to take some notes. Notes, no, like the file I had to borrow from her. So I took that and now I just came in the washroom. You show my face. Here, this is my uniform.
So cute.
Yeah, now after currently the interval is going on and then we'll have 2 lectures continuous, so I'll be busy in that. So I'll catch you after the lectures. Hey guys, all the students are outside because it's currently interval and let's go down. Nice wind is coming, it's so far here. So nice. Let's go down now. I have class now and it's already time. But I was waiting for the lift. So let's go for the class. 2 hours continuous class. Okay guys, now the lectures are over and I'm going home with my friends. Aajao. Come. Yeah, this are all my friends.
Hello guys, subscribe to read this channel and give much kisses.
Yeah. So now we are going home or going somewhere else.
We'll go create pizza.
Okay. Who?
Nisha will give us party today.
Okay,
She's giving.
She is giving us party for what reason, Ray?
Nothing, she got a first salary.
First salary. Oh nice. Since when? क्या बोल रहे थे?
निशा पार्टी देने वाली है guys. She
Nisha.
got a first salary.
Acha, Nisha is giving us party because of her first salary she got. Her first job it was, right?
Yeah, part-time job.
Yeah, so she is taking us to give us pizza party now. Let's go for the party. And what else?
What else to say? Say bye bye to college.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
exiting from the
Good
college.
day. ये निशा का मत सुनो गाइस, ये बहुत बकवास कर रही है.
Shut up. Okay, हम बुक स्टोर में जा रहे हैं. Wow. चलो चलते हैं.
चलो.
आजाओ निशा.
हम जा रहे हैं पिज्जा फॉर.
Guys, we are going to Domino's to eat pizza now. Here only we are just near the Domino's and we are walking on the road on footpath. Oh, there is park also we can go but it's closed right now. और आप बता दो.
She suddenly asked about his.
बोल
क्या बोलूं?
जो तू बोल रही थी.
नहीं, Domino's आ गए. Finally guys.
Guys, हम पहुंच गए Domino's के पास. अभी चलते हैं निशा की पार्टी में हम. By the way guys, हमारे इयरिंग्स देखो दोनों का सेम.
मैच हो. और मेरे पास नहीं है.
चलो. So guys, we reached.
की मैच. Hey, take me also. चल के
Let's order. Nisha, you order first.
see what to order. So guys, they are ordering there and I came here and said I'll show you. Here they are. Let's go and let's see them what they are doing. So we just ordered and we are sitting here waiting for the order. What would you like to say?
Nothing.
Say something. Say something. Let's wait for the, yeah, see this heroine.
Not heroine, this is called student.
Student.
Just shut up, bitch. Student number 1.
I'm just smiling and smiling.
Now we show our earrings.
Yeah. Wow. It's matching.
मेरे को छोड़ के मैचिंग.
Yeah, it's so hot. She tied it again, and even I'm feeling hot, so I'll remove the jacket. We'll just wait for the pizza to arrive.
इसको बोलते हैं student number 1.
This girl is judging us from here. Most of the students are only here. It's near the colleges, so most of the people come after college to enjoy pizza here. I look so tired. I look so tired, guys. We're just doing
None of the lectures we attended, okay? We had holiday. We bunked. We bunked the lecture. We didn't bunk. Our lecture got cancelled.
cancelled. Our lecture got cancelled and our
It got cancelled.
cancelled. Yeah, first, no, second one.
After so long, I feel that we came today, na?
Then Nisha, you also come,
Yeah,
Maria.
come. Convention will be separated.
Yeah.
So guys, I want to tell these two people now.
Yeah.
Also
Oh my
This is
god.
not,
Morning I
college
forgot. Yeah, college Mughals. Morning I forgot to wear it and now I'm just wearing it for so long.
I'm very for pass.
Pass? Hand pass.
So guys, I want to tell you all something. So guys, I want to tell you all something. So that after 3 months, I guess we. No, 1 week. After 3 months, we met today.
Yeah.
After so long.
Because she is from different department and I am from different department, so we usually don't meet. And it's very rare that we meet and for so long.
Yes. So we are from Xavier's, guys.
Yeah, Xavier's. I didn't show the college logo. Not logo. The name. Logo it is. The name in front, St. Xavier's College. Because I came from the other entrance, the starting one I didn't come. So maybe in another video I'll show you. Our pizza has arrived. Wow, this looks so good. This is peppy paneer. Yeah, it's not coming in the frame. This is this is peppy paneer and this is farmhouse pizza. So big we ordered, and here she comes with my Coke, yeah, and her cold coffee.
I think that I did my.
Thank you, Nisha.
Welcome. Thank you, Nisha. Nisha. Keep there. This is my pizza.
So guys, our pizza party is over. As you can see, it's over now. We are going home. Let's go home.
So sleepy and tired after eating. So let's
Yeah.
go. Bye bye.
Let's go.
कल फिर से लेक्चर के लिए आना है. चलो बाय बाय. बस.
Yeah. Okay guys, now the party is over, so we are heading home. So thank you Nisha for the party. How
अभी तो कोई बहुत बड़ी पार्टी देंगे फ्यूचर में कभी
This wind. Let's go. So guys, I have just reached home and let's go inside. It was a pretty long day. So guys, I have reached home now and now I'm going to change. So tiring today. I got so tired. You can see by my face itself. So let's go and change. So guys, I have changed my outfit and it was a really fun day today. I have met my friend after so long and the pizza party was the highlight of the video and I enjoyed a lot today and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. And now it's evening. I'm sitting here working with my laptop, some work I had, and then I'll probably spend my time with my family and go to sleep. And tomorrow again the college is there. But anyways, tell me in the comments if you have liked this video and please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.